So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A few days ago I purchased a product from the secret site. So the product has already arrived. I don't know whether it's scam or a genuine site, but I just thought of purchasing the product to show you guys. So the product has already arrived, and later on in this part of video I'll let you know uh, from what site did I purchase, the price, whether it's worth it or not, and whether you should buy it or not. So uh, right now we're going to unbox the product, and yeah, without further delay, let's proceed into the video. But if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. It helps me a lot. So yeah, please subscribe and let's go. So guys, this is the product. This is from the Fanai company. If it's in here, Fanai company. So we're going to unbox this product now. So I don't know whether it's a genuine product or not, but we're going to unbox it. So we're going to try boxing it my hand, because with the other hand I'm holding a phone. It's hard to open. Let me just unbox the product and show you guys. The packaging is also not good. Nail polish ka na. Nail polish siya. So guys, it turned out to be a scam. So I'll let you know what actually did I purchase. See, 1, 2. Some it's already broken. One, two, three. We have 12 nail paint here. Actually, I purchased the mini printer to show you guys. So this turned out to be a nail paint. So guys, this is what I actually purchased: thermal mini pocket printer. So the price was 1,500. So it turned out to be a nail paint instead, with same colors, and the product was also damaged. So I don't know what to do with this now. There is no return policy, so this is what happens when you buy from the unknown site. So guys, what I will say now is just be careful next time when you buy products from the unknown site. Research carefully and then buy the products, because this type of sites, they usually sell the product and deliver it to you, and they stop all the contacts with you, and even if you mail them, they won't reply. That's what they usually do, and don't even have the return policy. While during the purchase, you will have the return policy option, but once the product is being delivered to you, there is no refund or return policy. The return policy just shut down. So next time when you purchase the product, just do a thorough research and buy the products. So now I'll just paint my nails, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that. This video is really informative video. So please share the video and consider subscribing if you are new here. So see you guys in the next video.